Hi there, I'm Mary Ellen and this is my YouTube channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow. Here you can find over 1,000 DIY crafts, recipes, garden tips, family-friendly fun and travel, and cat shorts of my cats Cotton, Lucifer and Typo. Around here we ditch perfection and embrace the mess, because in life's messes we learn and grow. So if you're into creative chaos, cozy vibes, and learning right alongside me, hit that subscribe button and let's make some messy memories together. Hey there YouTube, welcome back. Today we're making the ultimate fall comfort food, a creamy pumpkin soup, and it is super easy to make in the Instant Pot. It's dairy-free, vegan, and full of flavor, perfect for those chilly nights. And guess what? You can also find this recipe in my cookbook. You can find a link to that in this video's description. Let's jump right in and start cooking. Gather your ingredients: 2 teaspoons minced garlic, 1 medium onion, 4 carrots, 3 cups of vegetable broth, 1 15-ounce can of coconut milk, 1 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin, salt and pepper. Now let's make some soup. Clean, peel, and chop your carrots and onion. Add everything except your coconut milk into your pot. Seal your lid and pressure cook for 8 minutes. When finished cooking, naturally release your pressure. Blend with an immersion blender till you have reached your desired consistency. Stir in your coconut milk. Salt and pepper to taste. And that's it, our creamy plant-based pumpkin soup. All done in the Instant Pot. Super simple, super cozy, and totally delicious. If you loved this recipe, you can also find it in my cookbook along with lots of other easy plant-based soups. You can find that and a written version of this recipe in the video's description. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.